Well, this video has piqued your interest, I'm sure of that, because we're going over something that is very interesting, just from the name of it. How to predict explosive moves. Or to get specific, how to predict explosive daily ranges and weekly ranges. Oh, sounds crazy, isn't it? And it's very, very simple. Very, very simple. It's dealing with candlestick anatomy. One part of the candlestick. Just one part. Can you guess it? You got the wick, you got the body, you got the open and close. What do you think it is? If you guess body, yeah, that's what we're going over. We're going over the bodies of candles on a daily and weekly time frame to predict explosive moves, okay? Because whenever there is a small bodied candle, okay, on the daily, weekly, and monthly, okay, this goes all the way up to the monthly, but whenever you see a small bodied candle, that's why my wicks are transparent. If you notice that already, that's why my wicks are transparent. It's because I do not want you to focus on the wicks whenever we're about to start, looking at the charts. But whenever there is a small body candle, there should be a large range afterwards, okay? And if you just look at the chart real quick, if you just look right here and just take a quick little peek at the chart, if you notice, after every small bodied candle, there is a larger range, okay? Not large as in 1,000 points, but I mean a larger range compared to that small body candle. So even right here. Hello, can I do? Hello? Hello? Okay, there we go. What was that? Well, we have two small body candles here. Whoa, two bigger body candles. Small body candle, bigger body candle. Two small body candles, bigger body candles. Now, how do we tell if they're actually small? Look at the previous bodies. Are the previous bodies bigger in some way? If so, then those candles that you're looking at that you're considering small are actually small, because look at the previous candles. Like, for example, here we got this small body candle. Why are we calling this small? Look at the previous candles. They have large ranges. Their ranges are big, while this one is just teeny tiny. And then right after that, we have a large range day. And then you have a small body candle, larger range day. Two smaller body candles, guess what? Large range day. Small body candle, large range day. You get it. It's very, very simple. What you can also do is apply external confluences to this, not necessarily a concept, but I guess you can say a technique. This is like a technique. I wouldn't call it a concept. But you can apply this technique to external confluences to get a narrative on where price is going to go. You get it. You get how I teach you. Always use external confluences, in which you should always be doing that. I shouldn't have to tell you that. But yeah, use external confluences with this, or pair this with external confluences, however you want to do it, to get an understanding of where price wants to go after that small range has formed. So we're going to keep going over this a little bit more. I do not want to make this longer than actually 8 minutes, okay? Because we're going to jump over to the weekly in a second. But if we look here, even in recent price action, look at this. Even in recent price action, smaller body candle, bigger body candle, and then another bigger body candle. Small body candle, small body candle, small body candle, larger body candle, larger body candle. It's real simple, honestly. It's really simple. Small body candle, larger body candle. Do you see it? I sure see it. Even right here. Small body, bigger body. Two smaller bodies, one bigger body. Very, very simple. If you want to go into the weekly, see it for yourself. Sure, let's go. Here we are on the weekly in recent price action. Look at this. Smaller body candle, two bigger body candles. Huge body candles, actually. Yeah, 3,000 point body candles. Huge candles. And we have another smaller body candle. See that body compared to these two? Or compared to the previous bodies? That's a smaller body candle. Boom, jump up. Two smaller bodies, one big body. Boom, jumps up how many points? 1,000. Whoa, look at that. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Even in recent price action, like right now, we got this smaller body candle right here. Boom, jump up. See that? It's not hard at all, really, is it? Want to go back in the past a little bit more, like last year? Sure. I don't mind that. Got a bunch of smaller body candles. Reason being, look at the previous candles. Previous candles are pretty big. Smaller body, bigger body. And then guess what? Another bigger body. Okay? So, like here, we had smaller body candles, and then price used all that lower time frame accumulation or smaller body candles to first manipulate lower and then have that actual bigger body candle come in and expand. So you get what I'm saying. You just use this with other confluences to really confirm if there's going to be movement for the next day, next week. Like if you see a smaller body candle on the weekly and you see external confluences lining up, oh, prices hit a 4-hour fair value gap, price hit a, I don't know, daily order block, we have a weekly immediate rebalance, stuff like that. Combine with other confluences, and you will see just how this technique can really show you the explosive moves that are going to happen in price. Like if I just turn off the bodies, not bodies, but the wicks completely, wicks are gone. Look at each small body, and I'm going to zoom this out just a little bit so you can see it. Just take a quick scope before I end this video because I want to make it very short. It does not deserve to be super long. But just look at every smaller body candle. Just have a little bit more practice before you go into your charts. And look at what happens. See that? Yeah, no, seems crazy, isn't it? A super simple technique that works all the time. Literally, all the time. Whenever there's a small body, there's a bigger body. Very interesting, isn't it? I know. Anyway, I'll be in this video here. It doesn't deserve to be more than 10 minutes long because this is a very, very simple technique I just taught you. I hope I taught you it well because it is extremely simple. I don't know how I couldn't have taught you it well. And I hope it assists you when it comes to these rigged, manipulated markets by the central banks, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, private equity, all of them. Anyway, I'll be in this video here. See you in the next teaching. Good luck and good trading.